Thousands of traders have lost their accounts last week, especially those who are trading the crypto market with leverage or futures. We have seen Bitcoin tapping 80k, DXY at 100, gold is moving sideways, and US30 it made a new low. All of this, guys, will be discussed in details today. So if you are a trader or still losing money, trading the markets the wrong way, this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, if you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till then to not miss anything. I'll cover for you Bitcoin in detail today once I go to there. So first thing first, I'll cover for you the list that you can see here, starting DXY, Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to USOIL, Bitcoin, and US30. In case you are new, this is the DXY dollar index for our chart, and I'm using TradingView as a charting platform. All our official links are in the description under this video, in the first comment, or on our website. So for this one, without wasting any more time, I'll start with the DXY. Last week, I was expecting market to give me a corrective structure, one more drop, this was the higher chance, and after that, I give you the second option, which was last chance, but this what the market have done anyway. So for this one, in case you are new, go back and watch the previous video to see the two options that I gave you and how the market have moved, all right? So for this one, the bias to the downside was wrong, market went to the upside correctively, and then it shoot back up, okay? With this sharp up wave, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up and broke this top. Oh my God, Alan, what's happening here? What's next and what should we do? Remember one thing, guys, if you don't want to lose your money, you have to follow We Trade Waves 4 golden rules. There is no other option. If you follow these 4 golden rules, they are not simple, guys, they are golden rules. That's why We Trade Waves, they always actually protect capital first, and then after that, they grow the accounts. I'll show you the proof shortly, just keep watching. I'll show you everything once I go there, all right? So for this one, again, the golden tip for you, you have to follow We Trade Waves 4 golden rules. I'm putting this, guys, for you in the past 4 to 5 weeks because we knew that market will move in such a way like it will liquidate a lot of people. That's why the 4 golden rules, it was very important for you to follow. And in case you are not following that, you will lose money, all right? So if you want to follow the 4 golden rules, there is no way for you to lose your capital, okay? Because if you really think about it, really, just read the 4 golden rules that are on the screen right now and think between you and yourself, if you lost big money before, one of these mistakes you have done, there is no other way, okay? So anyway, this is actually the golden tip again. It's from We Trade Waves to you. You have to follow We Trade Waves 4 golden rules, guys, to not lose your money again, all right? So for this one, what's next and what's happening? This turns out to be, guys, a trend continuation pattern. What was this one? Like I showed you last week. So we've got this up wave, got a corrective structure up, pull back up, a corrective structure again up, corrective structure here up, then a pull back up. It's a simple uptrend. We have higher highs and higher lows. All right, Alan, will the market push higher? We don't think so. That's what is important right now. So in terms of the bias, in terms of the direction, this is still the case. Nothing changed regarding this one, guys. So if I remove this now and this one and this one, this up wave, guys, is just the combination of more than one structure. But anyway, my bias is toward the downside. Any sell setup I get, I'll go for it. Let's put it in this way. So for the DXY, guys, for the dollar, any sell setup we get, we'll go for it, okay? That doesn't mean you go on Monday, you jump in, you over-risk, you over-trade, right? Again, I'm repeating more than once, 4 golden rules are very important. We Trade Waves, they know that anyway. I'm sharing this with you publicly so you can get it and you can protect your capital first before you try to get greedy to double your account or triple your account, okay? So for this one, again, the bias for the XY is toward the downside. Any sell setup I get, I'll go for it. This has to go down before any next structure, regardless of the next move. The second option. And if you are wrong, what will happen here? If I'm wrong, guys, market will keep pushing to the upside like this. And if that's the case, you should not jump in. You should not trade without stop loss. You should not over-risk, because if you do that, you will lose again and again. Regardless what the market will do, we'll go for one direction, for one setup. To the downside, the sell setup. All right? For this one, any sell setup we get, we'll go for it despite if market continue to the upside or not. Sell setup means we have a trading plan in place, and anytime we get the setup, we'll go for it, risking actually what we have to risk based on our risk management and our money management system that we have in place. Okay, that's regarding the XY. Eurodollar, for this one, market actually started to fall more. This is a not trend continuation pattern because it is a potential running flat in the middle. And just to let you know, guys, this structure might be completed here. That's something special for We Trade Waves. We Trade Waves, they know what I'm talking about regarding the completion of the structure. In all the cases, anytime I get a buy setup, this a buy to me. So for Eurodollar, if we get a buy setup next week, we'll go for the buy setup, no the sell setup. Alan, what if the market continue to fall 500, 10,000 pips? I'm happy to miss the trade, guys. I don't want to jump in. I'm only focusing on one setup, one direction, which is toward the upside. If you want to sell, it's up to you. But for us, we are seeing market pushing the upside next week and retracing all this move to the downside. Okay? For this, regarding euro dollar. Pound dollar, for this one, guys, it's exactly the same. Anytime market give me a buy setup, I'll go for it. This ended up to be a potential regular flat, just to give you this option as well. If this will go downside, guys, once more to break this low, it will be even better. Under this low, I'm a buyer. Anytime market give me a buy setup under this low, I'll go for it. I don't know what if the market will give us an expanding flat here and push to the upside. Anytime market give me a buy setup, I go for it, because I'm not trusting the dollar push to the upside. It's just a manipulation. Market will fall after that for the dollar. Dollar should lose value. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm seeing. That's why any buy setup in the majors, I'll go for it. So for pound dollar, if we get this drop, which is ideal, I'll go for the buy setup for this one under 1.3. Okay, so 1.3, 1.2990. This is the buy zone for me. If market go to this level, this is the best option to me to go for the buy. Okay, this is the trade that I'll be going for. If market will flow more, I'm not interested in it. I will not sell, and I'm happy to miss the move. Now, a lot of traders, I'd say a lot of traders, they will be thinking, all right, you will be missing 1,000 pips move. Yes, because we focus on one direction, we focus on one trade, one setup. In case you want to know the structure here, this is a running flat here, just to let you know. This was a typical textbook pattern for weighted waivers. All of them, they know that. And we are meeting daily inside the group, inside this community. You can check that anyway shortly once I cover that. But just to let you know, this was a drop. This was a complete regular flat. This was a drop here, running flat drop, regular flat here, and this is a potential completion one. If we get one more drop, this is the buy setup, guys. All right, Alan, why not to sell this? Guys, our trading style is different. The way we see the structure is different. The way we trade is different. That's why you will see a lot of success stories inside we trade, because we are not like all the traders. With full respect to all of you guys, we trade and we see the charts differently. Alan, any proof for that? Of course, if I go to the Discord community, just to let you know, in case you want to join, guys, WTW Pro, all the links are in the description under this video, in the first comment, and our website. You can keep trying your luck. You can keep trying to gamble the next wave, trying to over-risk, overtrade in case you will double your account in one trade. You can try these ones always, okay? But I am showing you the opportunity. It's up to you to take it or not, all right? So trading is not easy. It will become easy only after you learn how to trade correctly. Billions of dollars get liquidated from the crypto market, and that's for one single reason: lack of knowledge and greed. This is not how we think. This is not how we operate, okay? That's why you will see a lot of success stories. I'm showing you success stories on a weekly basis. That's the power of weighted waves, and that's the power of our community, guys, all right? So you will get access to the community, you will get access to the masterclass course, to a dashboard, to the basic course, everything you need as a trader to become independent, successful trader. It's inside WTW Pro membership. How to get access to it is on our website, WTW.com, okay? So again, the links in the description, under the video, and again on the screen you can see the website, okay? So for this one, this our private community, is Discord community, it's private one, and that's the success story just in the past 7 days, okay? Look at this one. The last one was, I believe this was last Friday. Kunal, he was making great job. All the way down to Zuhair. Zuhair, well done. We are proud of you, by the way. You have done a great job, Zuhair. Please keep the discipline and keep making money. This was great. All the way down, Vijay was making money trading gold. All the way down as well, Joshin. This was a setup shared by Joshin. 6 to 1, 6.7 to 1. Crazy one. Okay. By the way, guys, there is a lot of structure that we discuss internally. And if you join, you will get access to the daily sessions, guys. All right. You will get daily live session with T on Sunday, with the seniors during the week, and with T you will get the Wednesday update as well. And you get the trades of the week. Most of you know that. I would say most of our members, you know the accuracy of the trades of the week. They are most of the times going to the target, or you make profits. There is no other way. Like the target will get hit. Okay. Now, for Memo, look at this one. I want you to read this one, guys. Okay, because this is very important. So he deposited 1K on 28th of October, and he makes it 3.6. Crazy, right? This crazy performance, even on a small account, but still, this is the proof. Actually, he deposited. And if you check this one, look at this. This is what I usually look for. If you remember, I am more interested to see the withdrawal from traded, because that's the most important part. Okay. All the way down, Abdel Nasir as well. Thank you, Nasir, for mentioning this one, by the way. This is the fractional nature of the market. You will be able to understand this one once you join and once you learn. And this Abdel Nasir, well done, Abdel Nasir. All the way down, you can see him actually passing a challenge. We actually, hopefully, he passed the second one and he start to get the fund account and he makes money as well. All the way down as well, Nigel, I'll not play the video because this will maximize the screen, but just, of course, he is making money as well. So these success stories, guys, I'm sharing with you every single week, if not more. And you can see like how many traders are succeeding with us, and you can see the success stories here on our website as well. Okay. Of course, you have the day live session. Like I said to you, you'll get to this one. You will get access to the charts by weighted waves. As you can see, this one of them, by the way, we are not only sharing the Forex, it's everything. This Tesla, by the way, Tesla setup. Again, there's a lot of, I'll not scroll up, guys, because you will see a lot of setups. This is not really nice for weighted waivers, but just this is full of the setups that you can see inside. Okay. Back to this one, I think pound dollar is clear for you. If you want to jump to the next level, I suggest you to join, guys. Try us for 1 month. If you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. And do not miss tomorrow's session with me, because usually we cover all the lists as always, like I always tell you regarding this one, because it's important, guys, to know all the structures of all the pairs, from the majors, minors, commodities, crypto, indices, stocks as well. And any requests you have, you can ask live. Guys, we have daily live sessions, which means like you can, with the daily live sessions, you can ask questions, you can ask about any chart, about any setup, and our members will answer. Okay. So for this one, for gold, what's happening, Alan? Anytime I give me a buy setup, I'll go for it, guys. If this is dropping, no problem. Anytime I give me a buy setup, even if this is the corrective structure or one more low, up is the move. Okay. So for gold, any setup, it will be short term. Any buy setup I get, I'll go for it. Short term, medium term, long term, gold is towards the upside, guys. Alan, any other structure? Yes, I'll go to the 1 hour just to show you something here, because again, our traders were making money trading this one, trading like I showed you, trading this one as well, and trading this one. Okay. Of course, some of them were trading to the downside as well, scalping downside, and they were making money. Anyway, for this one, this an up wave for me, this a corrective structure, and anytime I give me a buy setup, I go for the buy. I'm repeating, I'll keep repeating that. It might be boring for you guys, but it's very important to save some traders, because again, it's not nice for you guys to lose your accounts. Okay. Do not jump in, do not over risk, do not over trade, do not add to losing positions. Never ever forget that. Okay. Because I don't want you to go on Monday again. You buy here, you jump in, you over risk, and market will be here on Tuesday and you will blame us. Again, we are giving the bias. It's our point of view. It's not a financial advice. You have to know how to trade before you risk your money. If you will follow us blindly, or you will follow anyone blindly, you are bound to lose. Never ever do that. You have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. I cannot make it more clear than that. All right. Yes, we have high accuracy. We have 70-80% accuracy. But when market go against us, I don't want you to lose your account and you are making money. That's not nice. Okay. So for this, again, market is correcting. We can get one more drop, no problem. Under this low, it's a buy. Okay. Anytime market give me a buy setup, I'll go for it for gold. All right, guys, I hope this is clear. USD for this one, exactly the same thing. Market was falling downside. We broke this low. And now again, anytime I get a buy setup, you wait for the corrective structure. This is important. Anytime I give me a buy setup, I go for the buy. Okay. Any such setup, I'll not, I would say, focus on it. I will leave it. I will ignore it. I'll be focusing only on the up wave, because this should come. Okay. New Zealand dollar as well, it was great one, by the way. Market start to push the upside. I got break even here, and the market start to push the upside again. Anytime you get a buy setup, you should go for it. This is almost ready. I'll go back to the 4 hours. This is almost ready, guys, to push to the upside. Even with one more low, up is the move. Regardless, one more low or not, this move, it will be coming to the upside. Okay. So anytime I get a buy setup, I'll go for it. Let's put it in this way. A wave similar to this one, minimum. That's what we are looking for. More details regarding the levels, more details regarding the trades of the week will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss it. Dorian, for this one, again, we have set our members, guys. This should fall. But remember, before they reverse the market, they will make sure everybody is out. You can find this recording in the daily sessions. I have covered this more than once during the Q&A session as well, and during the last week's Q&A daily sessions, because I'm joining the seniors during the daily session just to give some more updates. So usually before they reverse the market, they will make sure everybody is out. So they will move market 500, 600, 700 pips to upside before the next drop. Oh, Alan, will you miss this one? Yes, I'll miss it. This is not my trade. This is how you should think. If this is not your trade, why to go for the fear of missing out, and why to try to jump in? Jumping in will not make you money. it will always end up being losing account. Okay, so never ever do that. This, anytime we get a sell setup, we will go for the sell. Okay, yen pairs, guys, will be falling. Yen alternative, which means yen should get stronger, which means dollar yen, euro yen, CAD yen, pound yen, those will start to fall very soon after we get the setup. That's why, guys, one single trade of the month, it might give you a lot of money. So whatever you will be paying to get the knowledge, you are getting a lot of things on top of it. You are getting everything you need in order to become an independent, successful trader. Decision again is yours. If you don't want to get this opportunity, it's up to you. No problem. So for this one, anytime we get a sell setup, we will go for it. This is a sell for the dollar yen. Okay. Oh, Alan, what if the market will push the upside to break the top once more? No problem. Sell is what we're looking for. Sell setups, any buy, we will ignore. All right, guys, that's regarding dollar yen. Dollar Swiss, for this one, market is pushing to the upside after we complete the structure. But again, this was sharp down, sharp up. This turns out to be a complex structure. What this means, Alan, anytime we get a sell setup, we'll go for it. If this will be a corrective structure here, another push up will be coming. Okay, so for this one, I will not trade it. I will leave it. I'll focus on other pairs for now. But again, if I need to take any decision, I'll be going for the sell setups first before any next structure. All right, guys. DORCAD, for this one, market went to the downside first and then up. If you took a sell, you must have made money. And if you are not in now, wait for market to break the top and then look for the sell setups again. DORCAD, sorry. Anytime we get a sell setup, especially above the top, we will go for the sell. Okay, that's regarding DORCAD. USOIL, again, this was one of our trades of the week. You must have made money if you trade this one. Market went up from here to here, and anyway, this was a best setup. I showed you this before. What's next for this one, Alan? Again, same thing. Anytime I get a buy setup, I'll go for it. But there is one structure you need to be very careful about it, which is a contracting flat possibility. What do I mean by that? And if you are not aware about the waves, guys, this can become a contracting flat like that. For this to fall and break this low once more and this low once more. If this will happen, guys, do not miss this buy. All right. If this happens, do not miss this buy. Anytime I get a buy setup, I'll go for it. Even from here, if you get the buy, we'll go for the buy from here. In all the cases, USOIL is not a sell to me. If market will be falling, I will ignore the sell setup and I'll be focusing on the buy setups only. All right. Bitcoin, what's happening in Alan? Bitcoin, guys, it's actually going to the downside, and of course, nothing is random. Market is going to the downside for a reason, because they want to liquidate as much traders as possible, and that's exactly what's happening. Let's go to the weekly to show you the structure in detail and what is happening. After this upwave, guys, for Bitcoin here, just to show you the structure, after this upwave, market went to the downside, corrective structure drop. This was a potential what? Expanding flat. It's actual expanding flat. After that, market started the next bull run. This upwave, corrective structure up, corrective structure up, corrective structure as well up. This was the end of the structure here. If you remember 1.125k, it was one of the tops that we were forecasting. All right. After that, market started to fall. This drop started to be impulsive now, which means this will become the first wave of the next structure. Okay. Nothing, guys, to, I would say, worry about, because again, if you are a trader, if you are trading leverage or futures, you have to learn how to trade correctly, because otherwise one more wick will wipe you out. You should not be that sort of trader. Okay, you have to know what you are doing. So if you are trading leverage or futures, if you are buying the coin as spot, no problem. If you are buying the coin in your wallet, it's fine. Bitcoin will not go to zero, as what always will happen once market will fall a bit. Okay, this is not a corrective structure. This starts to be heavy, which means this is the first wave of the next structure. What do you mean by that? I'll explain the structure shortly, but I need to let you know, guys, how to trade first and how to think. I need to let you know what to do in case market will go against you. So again, if you are trading futures or leverage, you have to learn how to trade correctly, because you need to respect risk management and money management. If you don't do that, and you are thinking that it's impossible for Bitcoin to break this one, I can tell you from now, you will lose account after account. Okay, so learn how to trade correctly. I cannot force it more than that, guys. It's just 1 month. Join us for 1 month, learn everything from us, and then you decide what you want to do, if you want to continue or not. But get the knowledge first. It's an opportunity for you. Do not actually be that person who don't want to invest in himself, because that's actually the smart people. They don't do that. Okay, let's put it in this way, to not use any other words. So again, for this one, from here, this was a top, and this a drop, corrective structure drop, corrective structure, and then all the way down. What's happening here? This is a liquidation, of course, liquidation. The next pool for liquidation is under this one. Like I said to you last week, under this one is the next pool of liquidation. And you should know from what he was explaining regarding the 94 level during the Sunday sessions what this means. So if we get a corrective structure here, hopefully it will be a bigger one. If we get a big corrective structure, so those of you are stuck in the sell, you can get out. If we get that, one more drop will be coming before the next upwave, guys. This is a target now for the people, for the makers, I would say, for the market makers, which means for those who want to liquidate the other traders, the big players, this is the next target for them under this low. And if this happens, do not expect that market will go for the next bull run just like that. If market will just respect this uptrend without breaking this low, yes, there's still a possibility for this going to upside like that. Okay, but if market will break this low, we might be going in a bigger corrective structure than what we think. Alan, what do you mean by that? I'll explain you now. If we get something like this, guys, one more drop, a big corrective structure will come for one more fall before the next upwave. So if market will break this low here and start to correct, the next low will be taken is here, which is what? Under 50K. Okay? If this low will be taken again and we get a corrective structure upwards. How to trade this one is up to you. Do you want to learn how to trade this and make money? You can join us and you learn from inside and you get everything from inside. You want to keep trying just adding to losing positions and just go in because market is falling a bit, you will get liquidated like thousands of other traders who are just following blindly any guru or any famous person. I don't want to name anyone. Anyone actually who's buying billions of bitcoins, billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. If you want to follow these guys just blindly, remember one thing, guys. Ray Dalio, which is actually one of the billionaires and one of the best investors as well, he is risking 1% of his portfolio, but 1% of his portfolio is $15 million. So that's the difference, is the numbers game. But you have to understand it to not get liquidated, all right? So you have to know how to do this chart correctly. You have to know how to trade. If you want to lose leverage and futures, you have to know how to trade so you know how much to risk in which trade. You get me? Anyway, that's a different story. Regarding the bias, as long as market is respecting this here, we have a potential for this to go to the upside to break this up once more. Let's put it in this way. What I'm expecting personally, I'm expecting market to give me a big corrective structure before any next drop. So first thing first, if I want to trade this one, up is the move. Okay? This is first option. Second option is if market will continue to the downside to break this low and will stay under this one, we'll get a corrective structure, one more drop. Is Bitcoin going to zero? Unlikely. It's not the case. This is what they will spread the fear every time market will fall a bit. Here they have said the same thing. Here they have said the same thing. I don't think the crypto market is done yet. But again, to explain something more about the structure, guys, and the logic behind it and what they do usually. If they want to drop the market, they will make sure to give you this sort of structure. And this is the market maker's move. Why is that, Alan? It's logical, it's typical, it's textbook for weighted, by the way. Here, a lot of pullback traders will get in. Here, they will start to jump in, by the way, to the upside. And here, those who trade the trend following, those who trade the breakout traders just to confirm the uptrend, they will get in here. So just think with me, how many people will get liquidated if they will drop market under this low? And imagine you have another pool here under this low. So that's why before they drop the market, they have to build the liquidity. If this will be going up slowly like this, of course, there is characteristics for that. We teach it inside weighted waves. If market go to the upside slowly, one more drop will be coming. Which you have to trade is up to you. Weighted waves, they'll be able to make money out of every single next impulse. If you want to learn that, it's inside Weighted Waves Pro. Nothing actually complex about it, okay? So for this one, this is what I'm expecting next for Bitcoin if market will fall downside to break this low once more, okay? Now, again, which trade is up to you. What to do here is up to you. For us, for weighted waivers, you know, guys, what to do. If you get this corrective structure and then a sell setup, you go for the sell. And if you want to scalp the buy setup here, trying to catch if this will be going to the upside like this, of course, you know the structure, guys, and you know the strategies internally, okay? EURUSD for this one, market start to fall to the downside. You've got a new low and then another up wave on the way. Back to the 4 hours. You should remember, guys, we have said regarding this one more than once anyway, and we have been right, guys, for every single wave, either to the upside or to the downside. This was posted on TradingView anyway with all the explanation of it. So if you get in the sell here from the top, you must have made money and you must be in profits. What's next? After this one, market looks like will push to the upside. Okay, so if you are in the sell, you must have money. You must have made money. This up wave was a win anyway. It was a trade anyway. It was shared by T during the Sunday and Wednesday sessions. This up wave was actually shared as well, and this drop was posted because every new high is the potential last high. At the moment, this is the last high, which means if market will need to trend to the downside, it will give you a corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, another fall. If you're in the sell, this is what you want, right? So if you're in the sell, you make sure to protect your capital. At the same time, our traders, they were able to make money with this buy and with this buy, okay? What's next? If dollar will be falling, this can push all the way up to break the top once more. And this will become the next potential high. And from here, look for sells again. But again, for now, if the XOIL will be falling, this will push to the upside once more to make a new high, or at least give us an up wave. If you are not in, if you get a buy setup, you can go for the buy, okay? If you are still bearish for this one, you have to wait for a complete corrective structure upwards first before any next drop. I hope, guys, this is clear. Do not miss tomorrow's session. I see all of you next Saturday. And again, for this one, you trade with care and you follow WTW for golden rules. Guys, do not waste another month. Do not waste actually more money. Join, learn how to trade, join the daily live sessions, and I see all of you inside. Thank you very much.